So continuing on to the sample test, I'm gonna do two more. It's going to be 15 and 16. An extra credit is here. I'm not gonna do that one. That one's for you to practice, get ready. Okay, so this one, differential equation, we're gonna solve for y. We're gonna go ahead, write this as and I'm gonna put the dx with the x and put that one on the other side as well. And if I do that, make sure I copy that right. Yeah, I did. Okay. So this becomes x over square root of 1 minus 4x squared dx. And then I'm going to integrate. Integration of dy is y. And integration of that, u substitution would be a way to go. So if we let our u be, okay, so let me go ahead and write this again. Let u be 1 minus 4x squared. What is our du going to be? Well, that's going to be negative 8x dx. And if we look at the original problem, we do have x, we do have dx. Only thing missing is that negative 8. So we're going to give negative 8 and take it away. So we can write because negative 1/8 times negative 8 will give me a positive 1, and that's, I didn't make any changes. So now I have du over square root of u. And that's the easy integration because I know integration of u to the half or x to the half negative. What's the integration of that? Negative half plus 1 is positive half. Flip that over. We get 2u to the positive half. Okay, so integration of this, I turn into u to the negative half, so I got 2u to the positive half plus c, don't forget your c. So this is same as negative 1/4 u to the half plus c. What was our u to begin with? You remember? It was 1 minus 4x squared. And we didn't write y all of these places, but these are all y, whatever, whatever, y at the last stage. So that one is done. Okay. The last one is 16. Is y prime minus 3 x squared y equals e to the x cubed. And this is actually a correction. This is, I think I wrote e to the x squared. This is problem 13 in your book. Make sure. Yeah, problem 13, section 6.4, and it is e to the x cubed. So we know this is linear. We cannot separate it. And the reason being, if we compare this to the standard linear, which is so that's going to be your integrating factor. Okay? Remember, this is a positive, so you're going to have to take that negative into account. So your integrating factor mu will be e to the integration of px dx. So in this case, it's going to be negative 3x squared dx. Okay. So what's the integration of negative 3x squared? Well, isn't that negative 3 to the x squared dx? Integration of x squared is x cubed over 3. 3 and 3 cancel. So this is just that. So that is your integrating factor. Right? So what do? We multiply both sides by the integrating factor and then take derivative and go on from there, right? So multiply both sides of this. Okay, this is just reverse product rule of integrating factor times y. And e to the x cubed times e to the negative x cubed, isn't that e to the 0 or 1? So this becomes that, and integration of 1, isn't that x plus c? So what would be my y? Well, I can multiply both sides by e to the x cubed, so I will end up getting, and I can stop right here. Okay, so that concludes the sample test solutions. If you have questions, email me. Come back see me. Okay. All right. Good luck on the exam.